sọ̀yà o. Ẹ̀wà wọn aláìgbọràn jòbìrán nílé ìwé wọn ò fetí sílẹ̀ sóhun tó lù kọ́kọ́ wọn. Olùkọ́ nìkan kàwé wọn sì máa ṣeré ká wọn á jẹun wọn gbòfo roboto. Iṣẹ́ ìyẹn kì í ṣe tiwọn. Eré ṣàní tiwọn. Dòdò àti ráìsì kò gbọ́dọ̀ kọjá wọn á jẹun wọn á gbòfo roboto. Ẹ̀wà wọn aláìgbọràn tó bìrán nílé ìwé wọn ò fetí sílẹ̀ sóhun tó lù kọ́kọ́ wọn. Olùkọ́ nìkan kàwé wọn sì máa ṣeré ká wọn á jẹun wọn gbòfo roboto. Iṣẹ́ ìyẹn kì í ṣe tiwọn. Eré ṣàní tiwọn. Dòdò àti ráìsì kò gbọ́dọ̀ kọjá wọn á jẹun wọn gbòfo roboto. Iṣẹ́ ìyẹn kì í ṣe tiwọn. Eré ṣàní tiwọn. Dòdò àti ráìsì kò gbọ́dọ̀ kọjá wọn á jẹun wọn gbòfo roboto. Ìwà wọn aláìgbọràn tó bìrán nílé ìwé wọn ò fetí sílẹ̀ sóhun tó lù kọ́kọ́.
Sẹ́yìn náà bá wa kọrin yẹn.
Olùkọ́ nìkan kàwé wọn sì máa ṣeré ká.
Ẹ tún ká alẹ́ nínú ilé ilẹ̀-èdè yìí níbikíbi táfẹ́fẹ́ ìkànnì yìí tún fẹ́ dé.
Wọ́n á jẹun wọn kò fò
Orí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára láti láǹfààní àti máa gbọ́ra wa.
roboto. Iṣẹ́
A ní ká refresh memory ara wa díẹ̀ náà ni o.
agogo bàbá mi lẹ́gbọ̀gìrì ló dúró pẹ̀lú ọwọ́ rẹ̀ méjì ọ̀kan ká wákàtí èkejì ká ìṣẹ́jú gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ti mọ̀ níléèwé alágogo gbọ̀ngbọ̀ngbọ̀ngbọ̀n níléèwé alágogo. Agogo bàbá mi lẹ́gbọ̀gìrì ló dúró pẹ̀lú ọwọ́ rẹ̀ méjì ọ̀kan ká wákàtí èkejì ká ìṣẹ́jú gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ti mọ̀ níléèwé alágogo gbọ̀ngbọ̀ngbọ̀ngbọ̀n níléèwé alágogo. Orí mi èjìká mi orúnkún ẹsẹ̀ orí mi èjìká mi orúnkún ẹsẹ̀ orí mi èjìká mi orúnkún ẹsẹ̀ tìrẹ ni Olúwa. Orí mi èjìká mi orúnkún ẹsẹ̀ orí mi èjìká mi orúnkún ẹsẹ̀ orí mi èjìká mi orúnkún ẹsẹ̀ tìrẹ ni Olúwa. Dádì mi ẹ tọ́jú mi mọ́mí mi ẹ tọ́jú mi ẹ ò lè rọ́mọ rà lọ́jà. Dádì mi ẹ tọ́jú mi dádì mi ẹ tọ́jú mi mọ́mí mi ẹ tọ́jú mi ẹ ò lè rí mi rà lọ́jà. Dádì mi ẹ tọ́jú mi dádì mi ẹ tọ́jú mi mọ́mí mi ẹ tọ́jú mi ẹ ò lè rọ́mọ rà lọ́jà. Dádì mi ẹ tọ́jú mi dádì mi.
Èmi ni mo ní copyright gbogbo orin tí n ó lò ń bí àtẹlẹ́yìn tí mo ń lò ń bẹ̀.
Mọ́mí mi ẹ tọ́jú
Another àkàndá ọ̀rọ̀ Awíkonko is a counterfeit.
mi rà lọ́jà. Mọ́mí mi ẹ tọ́jú mi.
Ẹ jẹ́ fún ilé ọkàn sí kó tó di pé wọ́n wọlé ètò gangan.
mo ti kọ́ lélẹ̀ mẹ́mẹ́ sórí apáta tátátátátá níbi títí tí jìjì ayé kò lè dédédédédédé. nígbà nánánánáná lọ́kàn mi yóò bá lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ alẹ́ lólóló yàyà mo láyọ̀ ní bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀. mo ti kọ́ lélẹ̀ mẹ́mẹ́ sórí apáta tátátátátá níbi títí tí jìjì ayé kò lè dédédédédédé. nígbà nánánánáná lọ́kàn mi yóò bá lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ alẹ́ lólóló yàyà mo láyọ̀ ní bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀.
ẹ kú iṣẹ́ kú àtàárọ̀ ní àbíbáyé ọ̀rọ̀ tá a fẹ́ bára wa sọ lónìí kì í ṣe nǹkan tó pọ̀ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ jù báyìí lọ. press release àwọn èèyàn kan ni mo fẹ́ kà àwọn àjọ àwọn ẹgbẹ́ kan ni mo fẹ́ kà. ẹ ti rí àkọlé tí mo fi sórí tọ́pìkì tòní. Professor Banji Akintoye no going back on Oduduwa Republic. Professor Banji Akintoye ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
mo ti gbégbégbégbé ọlọ́run mi
gágágágágágá mo ti fọ́ gógógógó fọlọ́run lókè kékékékéké.
sórí apáta tátátátátá ibi títí tí jìjì ayé kò lè dé.
Why Yoruba Council of Elders rejected agitation for Oduduwa Republic? Yoruba Council of Elders náà sọ yẹn. Yoruba youths and women jointly condemn Oduduwa Republic rally slated for 1st October 2020 withdraws membership from WYC. Yoruba Council of Yoruba World Congress ni wọ́n láwọn yọra wọn kó ń bẹ̀rù.
àyàwó láyọ̀ ní bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀. ẹni tó bá mọ̀ orí ọlọ́run rúnrúnrúnrún kò jẹ́ ká jọjọjọjọ gbọ́ lọ́rùn mi gágágágágágá. sórí apáta tátátá.
Àkàndá nítorí àkókò kí n má gba àkókò yín kí n má fi àsìkò kí n má pàsìkò lọ́bọ̀lọ̀ torí pé kálukú wa náà ló ní many things láti ṣe ṣùgbọ́n ó yẹ kí a wà kọ́rẹ́ǹtì lórí nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀ aláwọ̀ dúdú Áfíríkà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo àgbáyé kò yẹ ká gbẹ̀yìn torí pé ìran Yorùbá ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n ni wá onímọ̀ ni wá ọlọ́gbọ́n sì ni wá kò síbi tí wọ́n ti ń dárúkọ èèyàn pàtàkì káàkiri àgbáyé ọmọ Yorùbá ò ní gbẹ̀yìn ń bẹ̀. lórí rally tó fẹ́ wáyé l'October 1st oríṣiríṣi awuyewuye ló ti wáyé sẹ́yìn ní ń wáyé lọ́wọ́ ni yóò tún padà wáyé oríṣiríṣi àtakò àfọkànsí òun náà ló ti ń wáyé controversies lóríṣiríṣi lórí pé a fẹ́ ṣe rally l'October 1st argument yẹn ló lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ because gbogbo wa náà ò lè sùn ká kọrí síbì kan ní gbogbo nǹkan láyé àwọn kan ó gbé sókè àwọn kan ó fà wálẹ̀ ni àwọn kan dẹ̀ ní wọn ò ní gbé sókè wọn ò ní gbé sílẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti ṣe náà ló tẹ́ wọn lọ́rùn láwọn lóríṣiríṣi lájọlájọ òun náà ni wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Oduduwa Republic àti agitation wa àti rally tá a fẹ́ ṣe. Oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ lèmi náà ti sọ sẹ́yìn oríṣiríṣi àwọn èèyàn ni wọ́n ti sọ̀kò ọ̀rọ̀ lu ara wọn láì kìí ṣe mi oríṣiríṣi àwọn èèyàn náà ló àtáàkì mi ọ̀pọ̀ sì mí gbọ́ ọ̀pọ̀ ò tiẹ̀ rí láti gbọ́ àlàyé eréfé ọ̀rọ̀ ni wọ́n mú tí wọ́n fi ń dájọ́ èmi ti wá ní lọ́kàn wípé mi ò ní sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rally yẹn until after October 1st a máa wo ta ló jẹ̀bi ta ló wà lójú ọ̀nà ta ló wà nínú igbó èmi ò tí ì ráyè ṣùgbọ́n mo mọ̀ wípé nínú òmùgọ̀ ni mo wà ṣùgbọ́n nínú àwọn ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n náà ni mo wà ìdí ni wípé rírí tí èmi rí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn àgbà Yorùbá náà ni wọ́n rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọdé Yorùbá náà ni wá jẹ́ wípé gbogbo àwọn tí ń àtáàkì mi ò tí ì lórúkọ tí mo fẹ́ fún wọn gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo máa ń sọ wípé ó di lọ́jọ́ ìkórè kí àgbẹ̀ ó tó yin rẹ̀ kì í ṣe ọjọ́ tí àgbẹ̀ sanko kì í ṣe ọjọ́ tó ṣọ̀gbìn ṣùgbọ́n lọ́jọ́ tó kórè ni yóò tó yin rẹ̀ lágbẹ̀ má ka àwọn press release yẹn ṣùgbọ́n kí n tó ka àwọn press release yọ tó ka àpilẹ̀kọ kan. Professor Banji Akintoye àwọn ní no going back on Odùduwà report. Automatically bàbá ń jẹ́ kó yé wa wípé ó ti di ṣíṣe. Tá a bá rí gbà plus ní fún gbogbo wa. Gbà ṣé rálì la fi máa gba ni jàgídíjàgan la fi gba ni àbí pẹ̀lẹ́pùtù la fi gbà á ọ̀nà wo la máa gbà. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n bẹ̀rẹ̀ níbi tí bàbá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ gangan. Ìbéèrè tí oníròyìn béèrè lọ́wọ́ on this agitation for Odùduwà Republic, some Nigerians are saying that it's a fluke and another attempt. Baba cuts in. Baba já ọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ lẹ́nu. Those saying that should wait until October 1st to know whether it is real or not. But I want to declare here that nobody should harbor any doubt about the determination of Yoruba for self-determination. There is no going back, and come October, make a form, and nobody, including federal government, can stop us. The whole world is already, and there is nothing federal government can do about it, because what we are doing is not in any way illegal. It is within our legitimate right to determine whether we want to stay or not in the union called Nigeria. There is no way we can be held against our will. If our people have already made up their mind to leave Nigeria, Nigeria is living on borrowed time, and it is just a matter of time before we all go on our separate ways. There is no going back. Odùduwà Republic has come to stay. It has become a reality. There is no such injustice in Nigeria, and it is only here this kind of injustice and oppression. There has been so much Fulani domination and oppression of other groups in Nigeria, and we can't continue this way. And this is why we feel that the best option for Yoruba is to exercise their right to self-determination. A country where one group is always aspiring to conquer others, other sections, can no longer be called a country. The situation in the country today is so bad that it has gone beyond restructuring, which some people are even calling for. The Fulani people have a hidden agenda. Baba was right. Yes, correct. President Muhammad helping the Fulani to actualize Nigerians through his political appointment. Yes, Baba correct in Berina. And general ways, he has been running his government, and other Nigerians can no longer fold their hands and continue watching things going on. Another annoying is that the Fulani in Nigeria are even bringing Fulani from outside Nigeria to participate. This is no longer acceptable. But when they do so, it is against outsiders and not against their own people, like the Fulani are doing to others in Nigeria, a country where a section is aspiring to conquer other sections can no longer be referred to as a country. The Fulani say Nigeria belongs to them. Yes, wọ́n sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ lóòótọ́, and that they are going to take lands that belong to other ethnic nationalities. And this is why you have all these invasions taking place in the Middle Belt, Southern Kaduna, and other. The reality of the situation is that we, the Yoruba, to live with another group that believes in the subjugation and conquest of others. Okay, ẹ ti gbọ́ nǹkan tí bàbá sọ, ẹ jẹ́ tí kí n tó ka question kan sí kó tó di pé màá fò sí another press release. Will you say this is part of the reason why the clamor for Biafra and North Central Republic has been growing louder? Baba ní the Fulani invasion of other parts of the country has destroyed Nigeria, and majority of Nigeria no longer have faith in this country again. This is no longer the Nigeria of the dream of the founding fathers. Since majority of Nigerians no longer have faith in being together again, the best solution is for people to go their different ways, to do it in a chaotic manner. Yes, in terminal sonu, the best way to go about it is to generate a process of a negotiation. In terminal sonu, yes sir, whereby we will sit around the table in terminal sonu no, we will protest and discuss in frank manners so that we won't be enemies of one another forever, like situation you have between Israel and some Arab nations. Exactly. In terminal sonu yẹn táwọn èèyàn kan rò pé àwọn sì mí gbọ́ o. It must be done in such a way that there will be no bloodshed or loss of life. Countries, especially in Europe, so there is no reason. It's also, there is nothing strange about Nigeria breaking up, and not only that, I believe the breakup can be done peacefully. Sir, Professor Banji Akintoye, ntẹ́mi náà sọ nìyẹn wípé kò dìgbà tá a bá gbé plákáàdì dání, kò dìgbà tá a bá ń ṣe rálì ká tó jáde kó lára Nàìjíríà. A kàn ń pariwo nìyẹn, a kàn ń jẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ nǹkan tí ń bẹ nínú wa nìyẹn. Inú ni kíní ẹyẹ gbé, orúkọ tá a sọmọ ẹni inú ẹni ní wà. That is ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá Banji Akintoye. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sáré lọ síbi tí Yorùbá Council of Elders tí wọ́n ti dá bàbá lóhùn pàápàá torí àkókò wa ń ọ̀fẹ́ pẹ́ ń bí. Yorùbá Kúnlé Ọlájí. It is unrealistic for Oduduwa Republic to be achieved without violence. Bàbá Banji Akintoye ní a lè gbà in a peaceful way tí èmi náà gbàgbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tí mo ń ṣàlàyé ọ̀rọ̀, tẹ́ ẹ bá gbọ́ mi yé dáadáa, mo ní Oduduwa Republic. Republic ti mẹ́mbẹ̀ ó jẹ́ kó wà unachievable. Yes, bí mo ṣe put ẹ nìyẹn. But with that, àwọn èèyàn kan sọ wípé ṣé mọjọ́ lọ́ọ̀ ni láti máa sọ pé Oduduwa Republic kò ṣeé gbà. Mo wá sọ fún ọ wípé nǹkan míì tó similar sí Oduduwa Republic. Kennedy, n tí a sáà ń fẹ́ òun ni wípé àwọn tó dominate wa, Fúlàní domination, Yíbò wọ́n pọ̀ jù ńlẹ̀ wa nǹkan. N tá à ń fẹ́ ni pé kọ́ mọ̀ sí mọ́. Àǹfààní tí wọ́n ń jẹ nílẹ̀ yìí, nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, táwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ò rí jẹ, n tá à ń fẹ́ ni pé káwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ó take over kí wọ́n máa jẹ. Tá a bá sọ pé ká lọ sí restructuring, ìyẹn ti pẹ́ jù, kì í dẹ̀ ṣe nǹkan tá a nídìí lọ́wọ́ yín nìyẹn. Tá a bá la fẹ́ gba Oduduwa Republic, a ń láti sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ fúnra wa, a gbọ́dọ̀ fẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ taná fúnra wa. N tí àwa wà níbí fún, ó ní pé tí ò bá yí àwọn èèyàn ká educate ara wa, àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ni. Tá a bá fẹ́ gba Oduduwa Republic, àwọn region tó kù wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ ṣetán láti lọ. A gbọ́dọ̀ jókòó láti sọ ní tùgbẹ́ ìnùbẹ́, ok, àwa fẹ́ lọ, Yíbò fẹ́ lọ, Nàìjíríà. Àwọn Haúsá náà sọ pé ok, gbogbo yín ti fẹ́ lọ àbí, ẹ jẹ́ ká pín kéèkì tí ń bẹ láàrin wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká pín gàrí tí ń bẹ láàrin wa. Ọwọ́ mú tiẹ̀, ìyẹn máa pẹ́ wa tó bá jẹ́ pé ìyẹn là ń dúró tì. Àwọn bàbá wa tí wọ́n ń béèrè fún restructuring, àwọn náà rí sọ. Nǹkan tí wọ́n ń mean by restructuring ó ní pé ká padà sí àwọn òfin tí wọ́n fi bẹ̀rẹ̀, ká padà sí regional government. Ìyẹn wà achievable. That means táwọn ẹ̀yà tí wọ́n bá ready. Ṣùgbọ́n tá a bá béèrè fún autonomous state, tá a béèrè fún self-autonomy, Yíbò lè mọ́ tí ready, káwọ̀ ready ní tiwa. Haúsá Fúlàní lè mọ́ tí ready, Middle Belt lè mọ́ tí ready, Niger Delta lè mọ́ tí ready, káwa ready ní tiwa. Then we go in a peaceful and lawful way. Ọ̀nà tó wà legal la máa gbé gbà. Àìmọye country wípé country kan pé ìlú kan tàbí àwọn ẹ̀yà kan fẹ́ jáde kó lára country kan kó ṣe tilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni yóò jẹ́ àkọ́kọ́. Ọgbọ́n tí àwọn tí wọ́n ń jáde kó lára àwọn ìlú wọn tí wọ́n ń lò ńlá wa náà lọ kọ́nà o. Ìgbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ fọ́ USSR ká bóyá 11 countries kọ́ ló jáde lára wọn ni. Nàìjíríà táwọn sọ pé a fẹ́ pín in àwọn kan rò pé ọ̀nà mẹ́ta la máa pín sí. No, tá a bá la fẹ́ pín lónìí yóò tó bí ọ̀nà 6 tá a máa pín sí. wọ́n mọ̀ pẹ́ wa láì sọ pé a fẹ́ pín a lè gba self autonomy within Nigeria. ìyẹn rọrùn then a máa negotiate pẹ̀lú federal government nínú resources wa o internal generated revenue wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lógùn lọ́yọ̀ọ́ lọ́ṣun lóǹdó lẹ́kìtì ká dẹ̀ mú àwọn okun ní Kogi ká mú wọn mọ́ra. Yorùbá tó wà ní Kwara ká mú wọn mọ́ra tí wọn bá lè release gbogbo Yorùbá tó wà ní Kwara. àwọn èèyàn tiwa nu àwọn ò lè yìn wọ́n nù then ká mú wọn mọ́ra. a ní population tó lè dá ìlú gbà ṣùgbọ́n ká kọ́kọ́ gba self autonomy yìí. self autonomy túmọ̀ sí wípé a máa láṣẹ lórí nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. gbogbo bọ́dà wa tó jẹ́ pé Fúlàní ló kóra wọn jọ bẹ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá ni ó wà ń bẹ̀. ọlọ́pàá sójà navy air force custom immigration tó máa wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá wọ́n jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá wọ́n jẹ́ ọmọ bíbí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. so with that ìyẹn sọ wípé káwúsá ti ń ta màálù tàbí ọmọ Yíbò tí ń ta spare part lálábà kó kúrò. No, wọ́n máa wà ń bẹ̀ máa ṣe bísínẹ́sì wọn lọ ṣùgbọ́n Yorùbá máa ní ìlànà àti òfin tiẹ̀ lọ́tọ̀ tá a fi fẹ́ ṣèjọba tiwa láàyè ọ̀tọ̀. with that Haúsá tó bá fẹ́ wà nílẹ̀ wa Fúlàní àbí Yíbò tó bá fẹ́ wà nílẹ̀ ọmọ Ìròbò tó bá fẹ́ wà ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá dandan ni kó tẹ̀lé òfin àti ìlànà tá a bá là kalẹ̀. with that self autonomy ǹjẹ́ mọ̀ pé Yorùbá nìkan lè relate pẹ̀lú other countries bóyá economy ni o bóyá nípa security ni o in many areas relate pẹ̀lú àwọn countries mẹ́rin. with that a ti máa ṣèjọba wa fúnra wa a wà wo bí tá a gbé wọ̀n sí ọdún 5 ni o ọdún 10 ni o a máa wá wò ó bóyá ariwo lásán la ní bóyá lóòótọ́ la létò láti ṣèjọba ara wa. with that àwọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe rúgà àwọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe cattle colony all those things wọn ò ní láǹfààní láti wá ṣe nílẹ̀ wa because òfin wa ò ní gbà wọ́n láàyè. ǹjẹ́ àmọ́ nǹkan tí Ghana nílẹ̀ ilé ẹ̀mbẹ́ tí wọ́n ń plan lọ́wọ́ Ghana àwọn èèyàn wa wálé àwọn èèyàn wa wà stranded ní Dubai báyìí. Dubai ní kí wọ́n máa lọlé wọ́n láwọn fẹ́ evacuate ọmọ Nàìjíríà tó wà lọ́dọ̀ wọn. Dubai ní kán máa lọlé ǹjẹ́ wàá mọ nǹkan tí Ghana fẹ́ ṣe báyìí. Ghana ò fẹ́ many things ló yẹ ká put into place nínú ilé wa kó tiẹ̀ tó sọ pé a fẹ́ dá dúró because ogun abẹ́lé la fi ń jara wa already. kí làwọn nǹkan tó yẹ ká put in place? gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ń talẹ̀ fáwọn ọmọ Yíbò àwọn ni wọ́n fún wọn lọ́rọ̀ sọ. ẹni tó fún gbèrà lọ́tí mu ló ní kó ṣe ìbò tó ní give me another tumbler. ìgbà tó yẹ pé gbogbo ilẹ̀ tó dáa àwọn ọmọ Yíbò lẹ̀ tà fún lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wọn ò ṣe ní sọ wípé Lagos is no man's land. ibi tí Yorùbá bá ti rówó ó lè ta ìran rẹ̀. wọn ò lo oògùn fún kí wọ́n tó gba lábàámọ́ lọ́wọ́ o. wọn ò lo oògùn kan tó gba aládìí pọ̀. ibi tí Yorùbá ò bá ti lè san 50 naira ọmọ Yíbò rẹ́dì láti san 200 naira. first come first serve dẹ̀ ni Yorùbá ń bá lọ. and highest bidder ni wọ́n ń tẹ̀lé anytime any day. ìdí tá a fi yọ̀ǹda gbogbo lẹ̀ fáwọn ẹ̀yà mi nìyẹn o. so kí n padà sórí ibi tí mo wà ò ní wípé yàtọ̀ sí republic tá à ń pariwo tó ń drag wa sẹ́yìn tó ń mú problem wá tá a fi ń rò pé wọ́n fọwọ́ òfin tó a ṣe lọ fún nǹkan mìíràn tó wà achievable dan ntọ́jẹ́ wípé a kàn máa pariwo ẹ̀ a sì mọ̀ pé kò ṣeé ṣe àwọn tó dàgbà tó jù wá lọ́mọ̀ pé kò ṣeé ṣe wọ́n máa wò pé ẹ̀rọ àwọn ẹlẹ́lẹ́yà àwọn tá a rò pé wọ́n ó ṣe ní ọ̀tọ̀ ní nǹkan tí wọ́n ń ṣe. and let me tell you this tí generation wa ò bá ti rí achieve ẹ má fọkàn sí jẹ́ bọ̀ lẹ́yìn o because lára àwọn generation tí ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn yìí ńlá ti ráwọn tí wọ́n mú codeine tí wọ́n mú oríṣiríṣi tí wọ́n ṣe yahoo tí wọ́n ṣe èlò bàbá ẹ mọ àwọn èlò bàbá ẹ jọ ẹ má bínú o a ṣe mistake sẹ́ǹdì káàdì kan sí ń bẹ̀ yẹn lẹ́yìn náà gbé à káàdì mi ò rí káàdì bí òun àti ní sẹ́ǹdì ẹ o lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ náà ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa sẹ́ǹdì káàdì tó ń bá ti sẹ́ǹdì káàdì ìwọ́ wa fẹ́ sojú àánú because wọ́n ti fọ̀rọ̀ síwájú ọmọ kan ni a fẹ́ sọ ọkọ̀ wálé la wá ní ká sẹ́ǹdì owó sí i ó wá sẹ́ǹdì káàdì yẹn sí wọn padà àwọn èlò bàbá àánú àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké ni wọ́n ń ṣe o wọ́n lè lo different voices tó bá sẹ́ǹdì káàdì sí wọn wọ́n wá pè ọ́ padà páwọn fẹ́ dúpẹ́ wọ́n lè ní bàbá àgbà kan tó sẹ́ǹdì owó sọmọ ẹ̀ ó fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ the same person tí ń bọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ náà ni ó wà change voice ọ̀kárí ọmọ mi wọ́n mọ̀ pé lóòótọ́ báyìí tó ń ṣèkù láyé wọ́n sẹ́ǹdì káàdì sí ọ báyé ṣe dojú kejì ó sì tún bá wa sẹ́ǹdì rẹ̀ padà àṣẹni lórí àṣẹ ọ lórí porogodo ayé ò ní lù fún ọjọ́ yóò dáa fún ọ ó ṣoríire sí máa wò ó ọmọ tá a ní ọ wálé fọ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀fà ni o ọdọọdún là sọ̀sẹ̀ ẹ̀fà tọdún tá a fẹ́ ṣe ìjọ sátidé lọ́bọ́ sí bọ́yàwó náà sì ráàyè kọ́ wá bá wa ṣe nǹkan wọ́n fòògùn sẹ́nu wọ́n bá àwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n lù wọ́n jìbìtì irú àwọn generation tí ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn wa nìyẹn o àwọn generation tó lè tàlú tó lè ta ìpínlẹ̀ tó lè ta orílẹ̀-èdè so now a ti gbọ́ nǹkan tí bàbá Bánjí Akíntóyè sọ bàbá rí sọ náà ẹ já gbọ́ nǹkan tí Yorùbá Council of Elders tí wọ́n sọ. So, Dr. Kunle Olajide says it is unrealistic for the Oduduwa Republic to be achieved without violence. When Olajide made the assertion while reacting to comments by Professor Banji Akintoye that the Oduduwa Republic will be created without bloodshed. Eléyìí tẹ́mi against wípé Ọlọ́run níjà pàdánù ẹnì kankan. Ẹ jẹ́ sáré lọ síbi ọ̀rọ̀ wọn. According to him, Lagos has said it is not part of Oduduwa nation. Ṣé ń gbọ́dọ̀ báyìí? And the head monarch of Ijebuland in Ogun State said his people migrated from North Africa. Ṣé ń gbọ́ báyìí? Nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ò tá a ti ń jà fún Oduduwa Republic o. Ẹnu wa ò kò rárá nínú ilé wa tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ already o. Ẹ mọ̀ wá gbọ́ ó ní I visited war front almost immediately after the truce, and what I saw there, I would not wish it for my enemies. As far as the Yoruba nation is concerned, I will not lead my people to commit mass suicide. Ntí tákàndá ọ̀rọ̀ sọ náà nìyẹn o. Òun náà lè ń gbọ́ lẹ́nu àwọn tó jù wá lọ yìí o. Ó ní the idea that they can have a peaceful exist is more theoretical than real. There is nothing like 107 groups, he said, referring to claims by Akintoye that the call for self-determination for Yoruba nation has only there is nowhere we have sat down and had a consensus to say we want the Yoruba nation. Gbogbo Yorùbá ò fẹnukò wọn àti ìfẹnukò lérí ẹ̀. For us, we believe that if we can have a true Federal Republic of Nigeria in 50 years, Nigeria will be leading Africa in all parameters of human existence. In 75 years, we will be in the league of first world. He said, although the Yoruba were not happy with the imposition of the Fulani political elite, who are in the minority breaking up the country, is not the preferred outcome. Only Yoruba people are justifiable, angry about the system we are running that has completely diminished the upward development of the Yoruba people and has rendered most of the youth who constitute majority of our population jobless. Nigeria appears to have reached the beginning of the end to this centralized pseudo-federalism we are operating. So, today that is happy with the Nigeria we have. Since the North Central pull-out of the Arewa Forum, you don't have any North like we used to have before. And if anyone believes there is still a northern region that is the most unsafe part of the country today. They have all the negative indices of human development in Nigeria. A time is coming, and it is coming too soon, that they will be championing for restructuring. Àwọn náà ti ní sọ nípa rẹ̀ o. When he said they have been mobilizing what he described as a tiny political Fulani elite. We have started mobilizing. We already have a relationship with the cultural group of the South and the Middle Belt. We are going to reach out to the North Central Forum so that we can reduce these who have gained power from the Constitution and the false sense of population advantage the British gave them, he noted. So, ó ní ìdí nìyẹn tí àwọn ò fẹ́ lè tẹ̀lé Odùduwà Republic agitation. Now, àwọn youth Yorùbá Youth Council Worldwide. Ẹ má bínú o. Yoruba youth and women jointly claim Odùduwà Republic. Rally slated for 1st October 2020.
Mo láyọ̀ ní bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀. Mo ti gbé fọlọ́run mi gágágágágágá, mo ti fò gógógógó fọlọ́run lókè kékékéké.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sáré ka press release wọn. Wọ́n ní the Apex Yoruba Youth. Ẹ má bínú o. The Apex Yoruba Youth Yoruba Council of Youth WCYW and Yoruba Council of Women Worldwide WCWW, both under the auspices of the Ìgbìmọ̀ Àpapọ̀ Yorùbá Lágbàáyé, call on all Yoruba youths, women, elders and other likes supporters to shun the declared Odùduwà Republic rally slated for 1st October 2020. Considering the whole negative conflicting processes and lack of administrative prowess, and undoubtedly without any viable proceeding and proper consultation with our leadership or any known group of the modus operandi on the true identity of its promoters. Of its promoters, positive purposes, succinctly driving vision, strategy on economic blueprints, set of demand and agenda system ab initio, not following due concise. Ẹ wọ́n bínú èmi náà kọ́ o. Due concise prerequisites by conducting a generally acceptable referendum via to seek the consent and consensus of all Yoruba people before embarking on such a endless chicken adventures. This is not the best time to clamor for war or cause monumental ripples that could break down of law and order. In view of the recent denials of the purported publication by some newspaper over the reported speech delivered by Professor Banji Akintoye, President General of the Yoruba World Congress, WYC. Unfortunately, this is a huge lacuna and deceit on the part of the professed via fear and double standards from the entire leadership, the coalition. Unfortunately, this does not and native intelligence of a true-born Omoluabi virtuous Yoruba spirit. More so, it is inevitable amount to total distraction from the real issue on gross maladministration and demands for a new people's constitution predicated on fiscal federalism and absolute restructuring. Other issues on the front burner are the many years of wasteful, instigated, pervasive corruption, crisis leading to hardships, sorrows, pains, and agony. Unabated issues of insecurity nationwide and the recent undeniable rising debt profile in the country. Perhaps this urgently calls for a national concerted effort and mutual concern. Presumably, this has been long with a driving panacea, except some person are sponsored to start a war internally in Yoruba land at the detriment of and fragile peace in Nigeria, indeed amounting to double jeopardy. These singular treasonous and seditious another flag in the territory of another nation, this could lead to invasion and armed conflict against the government. We therefore seize this medium to inform the whole world and having earlier instructed all members of Youth Worldwide, Yoruba Council of Women Worldwide, and all our affiliate organizations not to promote any Oodua flags, emblems, insignia, not participants in the Clear Yoruba Exit Rally of October 1st, 2020. We have more pressing issues than finding embers of crisis currently need intervention, rescue mission by our generation. Yes, of course, the elderly are leaving the scene soon. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, that is why the council is earnestly working on building bridges of collaborations with our sister organizations within the southern region of Nigeria under the aegis of the Southern Nigeria Groups, SNG, comprising of an Ohanaeze Ndigbo Youth Council, Ohanaeze Ndigbo Worldwide, Ijaw Youth Council Worldwide, Shekiri Youth Council Worldwide, National Council of Ogoni Youths, and our counterparts in the Coalition of Northern Groups, CNG, and along other like minds, to mention a few, are genuinely prepared to kickstart a national people's dialogue for peace and development agenda nationwide, wherein we hope to dialogue on all and every affected areas of mutual concerns and raise fundamental demands while profiling innovative, positive or selected political leaders to show transparency, integrity, service, and give maximum accountability and prudency in the management of our resources. We reiterate our stance that until YWC purge itself of these savagely concocted shenanigans, we hereby withdraw our membership tentatively from the body, while we distance ourselves from the protest Oodua Republic rally slated for 1st October 2020, which coincidentally is the Nigerian's 60th independence anniversary. We assure all inhabitants living within Nigeria land to go about their lawful affairs without any outer of fear or of attack or molestation, while calling on the law enforcement agencies to maintain absolute professionalism and due decorum towards ensuring provision of adequate security of lives and properties, inasmuch as we are protected and guaranteed by law to protest. However, such kind of Yoruba exit rally is not covered under the guise of clandestine motivated ideology, and not regrettably and ridiculous to believe is this one led by headless body. We have emphatically spoken. Yorùbá ni mí, ọmọ káàárọ̀ oòjíire, signed Ààrẹ Ọládọ̀tun Hasan ESQ lágbàáyé, Adékànbí Síyànbádé executive secretary ìgbìmọ̀ àpapọ̀ Yorùbá àgbáyé, Adeleke Hakeem executive secretary Yorùbá Council of Youth Worldwide, arábìnrin Ajétókẹ́ Oyèkán national coordinator Yorùbá Council of Women Worldwide YCWW, Erelu Lilian Ojúkànnáyé executive secretary Yorùbá Council of Women Worldwide. Press release Yorùbá Council Worldwide lélẹ́yìí, mò ń bọ̀ láti wá ka àpilẹ̀kọ kan tí mo fẹ́ lálẹ́ yìí kó tó di pé wọ́n máa lọ. Ní tí mo bá wá lónìí nìyẹn o, èmi ò wá sọ̀rọ̀ tara mi gangan, ní tí mo bá wá lónìí nù. Ó dẹ̀yìn October 1st ká tó mọ ẹni tí ń tọ́ àwọn èèyàn sọ́nà àbẹ́ tí ń mislead àwọn èèyàn.
Sórí apá tatatatata ibi títí tí jìjì ayé kò lè dédédédédédé nígbà nananana lọ́rọ̀ kí yóò bá lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ alẹ́ lúlúlú yàyà mo láyọ̀ ní bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹni tó bá mọ̀ orí Ọlọ́run gàgàgàgàgà gbọ́lọ́run mi gàgàgàgàgàgà. Ọ̀lẹ́lẹ̀ mẹ́mẹ́ sórí apá tatatatata ibi títí tí jìjì ayé kò lè dédédédédédé nígbà nananana lọ́rọ̀ kí yóò bá lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ alẹ́ lúlúlú yàyà mo láyọ̀ ní bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ẹ̀.
Pápápá mi ò mọ ráìtà átíkù yìí o, ṣùgbọ́n mo rí i pé ṣe mọ̀ wípé púpọ̀ nínú àwọn átíkù tá à ń bá pàdé lórí social media, àwọn kan wà ń bẹ̀ tó jẹ́ wípé ó mú ẹ̀kọ́ àti ọpọlọ dání, àwọn kan wà ń bẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé a kàn wò láwò mọ́, ṣùgbọ́n púpọ̀ àwọn nǹkan tá a máa wò láwò mọ́jú ń gbà míì ó máa ń padà jẹ́ nǹkan tí yóò ṣàǹfààní tàbí ṣe wá lóore lọ́jọ́ iwájú. Ó ní a must read Oduduwa Republic star lókè against secession. This was sent to me by Chief Duro Onabule, a veteran journalist. I don't agree with all the author's point, but I want to share it with you. It is worth thinking about. Bẹ́ẹ̀mi náà ṣe rí nu, mo wá rí i pé ó tó nǹkan àrònú lé lórí, ni mo fi wá ní kémi náà kí n share rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú yín. Ẹ̀hàn pé mọ̀dájẹ́ ni mọ̀dá ṣòfò dànù. Torí ìdéwájú ìdẹjọ́ ìdẹ̀yìn ìdásọ̀. Ó ní secession, a testament to Yoruba leaders and promoters of Oduduwa Republic. Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà Oduduwa Republic lọ́dálé. Ó ní I saw a video clip of a group of young Yoruba elites canvassing the creation of Oduduwa Republic. The spokesman claimed that they are not even interested in restructuring, that is it's late in the day, but the outright creation of Oduduwa Republic. When carrying placards, they insist they are fed up with Nigeria and that Nigeria has been a setback for the Yorubas because in 1949, when Yorubas has the television, even when France has not have one. Also, that Yoruba were ahead of Korea in 1950s, but today we have been derailed by the Nigerian project. These are their main arguments, which, as I will soon show, and no arguments at all. Only this are okay. I write to you, leaders of Yorubas, to warn you to be careful, be extremely careful, so that you don't make some fatal errors that will set Yorubas even further aback. Ẹ má bá ń dé o, ẹ̀yin ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n o. Only times have changed, and we must address issue within the context of our time, failing in these endeavors. Some days ago, I had an epiphany of a secession of Yoruba, and I am not surprised that some are making underground moves to actualize this end, which is very, very true. However, permit me to share some wisdom for our consideration. I think it will be a serious mistake at this time for Yorubas to contemplate a secession from Nigeria, as the repercussions will be grave, if not uncalculable. It was Albert Einstein who once said, "Condemnation without investigation is the highest form of ignorance." I believe we have the due diligence and proper investigation before embarking on this course of action. I hope the youths promoting these ventures know the implications and the consequences of what their actions could bring and spring in their time. Only it is Yorubas who say that when a child stumbles, he looks forward, but when an adult stumbles, he looks backward to the cause. Let us look backward and also forward to see why Yorubas have been stumbling in Nigeria, and examine the cause. Who we will see the enemy is ourselves. The enemy of Yoruba is the Yoruba, and secession will not stop the stumbling, because it will only take the theater to a different space. I must tell you that I am opposed to any form of secession or a unilateral secession the Yoruba from Nigeria at this point in time. Soon you will know why. However, if other stakeholders agreed at a conference table that the Nigeria project is no longer workable and mutual separation, then that becomes a different thing. Here are my reasons why I oppose any Oodua Republic at this time or any secession from Nigeria. I shall make this under these specific headings. 1. Issues. Is Nigeria or the creation of an Oodua Republic at this time will be wrong for the following reasons. 1. The required investment which made Nigeria possible. If you read the history of nationalism, struggles and agitations against colonial rule, you will know that the Yorubas made more contribution to other tribe or group to make Nigeria possible. Although Chinua Achebe wrongly claimed that the Igbos alone fought for Nigeria's independence in his ill-received, poorly edited, divisive and tremendous There Was a Country. His claim can never stand under proper scrutiny or face authentic history. The Macaulays, Pennies, Majais, Paces, etc., and most of the names known to give trouble to the Europeans to force them into living were Yorubas. Thus, it would be wrong to agitate for Nigerian independence and then turn away from Nigeria. If it is not working, then make it work. This is the first argument against secession of the Yorubas from Nigeria. The evil we complain about in Nigeria also exists in Yoruba land, and amongst the Yorubas, the young Yoruba elites who want to take Yoruba out of Nigeria complains of many evils in the nation. True. But these evils too exist among us, and Yorubas are not exempted from them. Remember Soka Hill discovered in Ibadan. Remember Soka Hill discovered in Ibadan, where human parts were being sold to rich clients for years. It is in Yoruba land. It has been found in several other places in the southwest. An Islamic slave labor camp was discovered recently in Ibadan, almost as bad as the ones in the north. Woman potteries have been found in Nakuti, Ogun State, and in Abeokuta, etc., where teenage girls are kept by a supermarket to breed like rabbits, and the offspring sold to rich clients for money. And cultic warfare in Ikorodu, Lagos, Ibadan, Abeokuta, which are regular features of news items. Okay, most of the evil in Nigeria exists among Yorubas. Thus, living in Nigeria solve nothing. In fact, it only compounds the problem because it is now spread on a smaller area. 3. The question should be asked, why should we leave Nigeria at this time? If we are living, why are we living? Because of the bad leadership of Buhari and the APC, the major reason today causing this agitation was the misrule of the last 5 years under this government and the promotion of Fulani hegemony over the whole nation. Truth. So I ask, should Yoruba live because of Buhari? Really? Okay. Question. Who made Buhari presidency possible? Who elected Buhari as president of Nigeria? Not the Igbos, not the South. It was Yoruba votes that brought this disaster of a government us. This one chance of a government upon this nation. In 2015, it was so. And this era of a government was reinforced again by the Yorubas in 2019 across Ekiti, Osun, Ondo and Lagos, where Buhari won. The Igbos rejected him both in 2015 and 2019. So if Nigeria is becoming a first state because of Buhari, Yorubas have a hand in it. You can problem and then run away from the consequences. Asking for Oduduwa Republic now is like that. You cannot live while the house is on fire. Your founding father asked from the British and you voted Buhari and financed him into office, for which you now regret. Be brave. You cannot live without first solving the problem you helped bat into Nigeria. 4. Most of the problems in Nigeria today are caused by all of us, including the Yorubas. Yorubas early described Nigeria as a failed state or lost state. In fact, it is worse. It is bandit state, a gangster occult republic run by syndicates and gangster collectives. Read Cloud Egg, it is worse. Yes, that is true, but that is not the whole truth. The Yoruba too contributed to making Nigeria into the first state that it is today. The Yoruba tell themselves the truth. We love to tell others the truth, but we should once in a while tell each other. Sometimes we talk as if Yoruba is perfect, as if there are no evils in our hands. We accuse Tafawa Balewa of declaring a state of emergency in the West. True, but would he have done that if we have not given him the cause to do so? If they had not found a mode among the Yorubas who betrayed Awolowo at the treasonable felony, who were the prosecution witnesses, and the judge that sentenced him, whose hands were tied, who betrayed Abiola to Abacha, telling him all the movements of the man, who traded off June 12 to form political parties, which was later dubbed Alliance of Destructions. Apologies to Gani Fawemi, who betrayed Diya to Abacha, telling him what he did not say, who defended the mathematical fraud of 12 2/3 is equal to 13 in 1979 to foil that NPN gang, a consortium of robbers on Nigerians, which of Chief Justice gave the ruling that fair judgment must never be referred to, which military head of state ensured by all means that NPN won and told Nigerians before the election that the best candidate need not win the election. Who imposed Yara PDP as its candidate in 2007 and rigged him into office as president? Who drafted Jonathan, our doctor clueless, from Otuoke, a man whose mindless looting regime preceded his one-chance government under which we are now trapped? Let every Yoruba's son and daughters sincerely ask himself these questions and answer those people are, whether they are Yorubas or not. If they are Yorubas, then Yoruba people also contributed heavily to Nigerian problems. Do the promoters of Oodua Republic know all this? Ìbéèrè gbogbo wa nù o. Are they aware that their own parents and kinsmen are part of those that compounded the problems of Nigeria and made it the British racist colonies, a nation where the worst never happens but the best is impossible? Oh, Britain, treacherous Britain, the blood of Nigeria be upon thee. All the problem we complain about in Nigeria and their own share of them, and even more than their own share in their formation, fruition, nurturing, and development. Take cultism that has now become the one giant monster, sharing the soul of Nigeria before the advent of kidnapping and ransom taking. A Yoruba man brought cultism to the Nigerian. Yorubas brought cultism to judiciary and the legal profession, and need I tell you that 7 young scholars started confraternity in our university, most of whom are Yorubas, extractions and parentage. That seed has now begun to cultism that is infesting every campus, teachers and students, and our youth today. Let me stop here. My point is Yorubas have a hand in Nigeria's problem. If Nigeria is today a rust state, a bandit state, we too help in making it so. Just like the Igbos, Hausa, Fulani, etc. I refuse to blame any tribe for what has happened to Nigeria. We all involved, and we must all solve the problem together. Is deviotism, and a nation is not built on deviotism of frustration. Specific strategies issues. I will now address some specific issues of strategy about proposed Oodua Republic for consideration. There are lots of fantasy in Fantagoria about a Yoruba nation. Some people have a hidden agenda which they don't want to tell us. All they do is to couch their demands under the dubious revival of a glorious past in a supposed Yoruba Republic. We should be careful. We talk of the past as if the past is Eldorado. It is not. We talk of Awo as if it was a perfect saint. He was not. He was a great man, perhaps one of the greatest from this land, but he is not God. He never saw himself as God either. I am old enough to know him and read his campaign speeches. One of the men now promoting the Oodua Republic, from the video footage, made some interesting statements. Funny and amusing. He said Yoruba land had television station before France. This is not a good argument, even if it were true. I ask you, is television station an achievement? Was television invented by a Yoruba man or a woman? How much of the history of television do we know? John Bird, who invented it, cried when he saw the havoc and the preservation of purpose that this invention has been used its intended purposes. That is why it is amusing that in 2020 someone would be crediting the television station as an achievement. I do not see how having a television station in 1949 ahead of France gives us any cause for bragging. Congo has printing as far back as 18th century, before many European countries, due largely to the Catholics who needed it. Of what use is any technology without the know-how to operate it? Can we say Obasanjo and the PDP was successful because GSM telephony occurred under their watch, or because MTN came during their tenure? I'm also surprised that someone is celebrating the 50-story Cocoa House in Ibadan as an achievement. It is not an achievement. In fact, it is a bad investment and a huge developmental mistake. High-rise structures are built where of land space. We all know this. Ibadan or Southwest Nigeria did not have the problem now or in the 1950s when that structure was built. But these are the list of first. This Yoruba are touting that the Awo miracle. This will be a fatal mistake because none of their proposed leaders or even remotely in the mode of anything resembling the shadow of Awo Aluko for that matter. And times have changed. Again, I present the following for consideration. 1. I ask a question. Would the Yoruba live together even if they succeed in separating? A foolish question you will say, but not so foolish or insolent. The differences between the Yorubas are there and the cleverage there because we are currently still within Nigeria. Oftentimes, we don't see this, but they are there. Probably those differences will come to the force and become magnified. How then do we address them? The Abacha scholar Professor J.D.Y. Perry noted during the research in Yoruba land in 1960s that the differences between the Yoruba subtribes, the Ekitis, Ijabos, Egbas, Oyo etc. are wide as those between the tribes of Nigeria. In other words, they are as different from the Ijabos as the Hausas as to the Igbos. If you have not observed this, you are not very observant. The white man was right because we are together in Nigeria. We don't see this, but now in the Oduduwa Republic, they will come magnified. How will the Yoruba Republic handle them? Because they will not go away. Will the Ijebos accept the rulership of the Egbas? Will Oyos allow Ijebos to lord it over them and continue with their exploitation given the bitter history? Will the Jeshas forget their ancient and what they suffered in the hand of or revive them? Can the stubborn Ekitis allow the equally to lord it over them? Because does not mean it has been healed. If the Oduduwa, you will all see the truth of what I am saying. All the major wars that have been fought in Yoruba I want to know. Themselves, not against outsiders. Oshun, the Yoruba god, does not. It destroyed our own children. Soon, you will see what I am saying too. We often speak the old western region as if it was perfect. There were injustice based on ethnicity, but which we should not reopen for peace sake. All the projects done by the Action Group government, how many of them were cited in the Ondo Ekiti Jesa axis? Yet, the cocoa plantations and wealth that made the West came substantially from there. How many cocoa plantations exist in Ijebus, Egbas, as yet were situated or concentrated there? How just Fem Ayandele break down and judge for if there were these imbalances, and in those days of yore, how are we will not be in Nigeria with more problems but with less resilience to handle them. The Shekiris and Deltas region voted to leave the West and have their own region if they were fairly treated. Why did they choose to leave? The old Ondo and Ekiti equally agitated to have their own state from the West because they saw that they were being exploited by the Ijebus and Egbas in the West. With all this agitation suddenly met away once we have 3. We have forgotten that exploitation in the very nature, whether white or black, there is exploitation among the Yorubas too. Someone is collecting 15% of the entire revenue of a in the southwest now. We all know this and nothing is done about it. Yet we are complaining about Nigeria being a failed state. The republic will not be a greater failure. In which other part of Nigeria does this happen? How many states in the southwest pay the minimum wage, even while most states in the north does? Who is the exploiter of the people? Their own people? Now, how many states in the north pay scandalous pensions to their former governors like it is done in the southwest? Which states? These are the same people and their children that will rule the proposed Oduduwa Republic. Sadly, it will not be the leading minds and top brains in Yoruba land, but the dregs and the gang of usurpers that are unrestrained looting of the fall. Have you asked yourself, where is industrial base that we will use for take-off? Virtually all the viable banks, industries, and conglomerates in the Lagos, Ibadan, Abeokuta are owned by other tribes in Nigeria. Certainly not by the Yorubas. Have they thought of this? Rome did not collapse in one day. It was gradual. Yorubas are yet to see that they are in big mess, far bigger than they inherited or emphasized, not because of Nigeria, but because of themselves. 5. In the Oduduwa Republic, which tradition will be supreme? Will Alaafin accept of Ooni or vice versa? Or will the dispute continues? See, hegemony among the Yorubas is another serious issue. In the Republic, how do we handle the ethnicity and hegemony of the Yorubas? Perhaps you may. I tell you today that there is deep, serious ethnicism amongst Yorubas. We all speak so loudly about Hausa Fulani domination and oligarchy that we have forgotten that there is the Egba Ijebu hegemony over Yorubas' affairs. We used to hammer the mafia, but we forget the mafia. Consider this. During the 2014 National Conference, 6 slots were allocated to the Yoruba group, Afenifere. They promptly shared the slots among them. Anyone to represent the Yorubas in Kogi and Kwara. But when they want to negotiate for power, they remember they have their brethren in Kogi and in Kwara, and that Yoruba land extends to Jeba. But when it comes to representation, they forget them. As the American says, taxation without representation is tyranny. These are the same men, the same who are now promoting Oduduwa Republic. Please think very well, my people, in Kogi and Kwara State, so that you don't change one slave master for another. Exists Ijebu ethnicism that sees everyone, even in the church. Can we also curb you Yoruba, those of you from Kwara, not once or twice? As a lecturer from Yoruba, I know the frustrations and struggles given to me by fellow Yorubas. I have never heard of a Fulani man doubting the legitimacy of another Fulani because he's from different place. Neither does the Igbos or Hausa or Ijos. Only among the ones who call themselves the children of Oduduwa, That is why I wait to see how the republic will work, even while these contradictions amongst the Yorubas remain as they are. The reality of war. I now come to my last issue and conclusion. Of reality. What does this adjugation in real public Ebodada means war? If you don't know it now. There cannot be an Oduduwa Republic unless there is a secession of Yoruba from Nigeria, and secession essentially means war unless two conditions subsist, namely, where the other stakeholders in the nation state agree to go their way, as happened in the fourth USSR. Mo wí bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Where the secessionist group, in this case the Yoruba, is the largest and the strongest within the existing union and can therefore bully the others. The two scenarios above is not likely to happen, so the implications is war. I hope the promoters know this, so I ask, are the Yorubas of today prepare for a second civil war with Nigeria? Mind you, Yorubas, not just the Fulani or Hausas, but the whole Nigeria. Why? Because Lagos is too strategic to Nigeria, too important to its economy and it is prosperity. Whoever controls Lagos is allowed to leave Nigeria except at the cost of war. 2. Are Yorubas prepared? Are these regions at the same? Do we have the wherewithal to prosecute a war? The Hausas will fight you because they have said and boasted long ago that Yorubas are the next tribe they want to deal with. I heard this in 2010 in Zaria during my research. You will now play into their hands. The Igbos will fight you because of the old poison sown into them over the civil war. That the Yoruba betrayed them, which, although not true, but is nevertheless widely believed as true by most Igbos youth to these days, and this is what matters. Many Igbos will fight you because you fostered Buhari, whom they rejected, and who has been, to be honest to the fact, in unmitigated disaster upon them. The Ijaws will not support you for the power. You for opposing their Fulani Republic on the back of Nigeria wealth. The Middle Belt may not fight, but they won't support you for creating misery. I don't know how you win this battle. I don't see how you can win all this with things as they are. No, I am not a defeatist. I'm just a realist. 4. Division among the Yorubas. Even where there is unity, success in battle is not assured. How much less when there is division? Are Yorubas united at this time? I doubt it. Yorubas Islamists who are even opposed to the Amotekun initiative and don't see anything wrong with Buhari, a fellow Muslim. To them, everything Buhari does is okay, like our rubber stamp Senate. Islamists among Yorubas will oppose and can never be the fifth columns in a war. There are still politicians who are benefiting from the investment towards 2023 and want to see their ambition realized. And they have their cronies, tools, heirs, who controls the press and traditional power of the Southwest. These people will be keen on any Oduduwa Republic. They can subvert it. So, with all this, how can you win a war with 5? People who have never seen a war are usually happy and excited about war. But war must be avoided at all costs unless it becomes inevitable. Christian, I am just a war theorist in the mode of Augustine and Martin Luther. I will fight if it's come to that, but not for an Oduduwa Republic that is now being promoted in view of all I have raised here. No one is driving the Yorubas from Nigeria, so why leave? all the evils that has been enumerated above, the Yoruba too have a hand in them. And if Oduduwa Republic is created today, they will still manifest those problems. So why the hassle? You only know when a war begins. No one knows when it will end. Think of the Sudan civil war. I warn the youth and early promoting these ventures to tread softly. It is better not to fight than fight and win. War is evil only in cases when it is just. War, as conceptualized by Cicero, Augustine, etc., a just war is any war that's fought to stop aggression or remove the cause of evil. In conclusion, in view of what I said here, time is not right for a secession. We should promote and canvass another special sovereign national conference where we can have a return to regionalism or even a confederate arrangement that is mutually agreed. We did not have it in 1993, yet we brought down the military without firing a shot. That is power. We don't need a revolution of fighting. That is what brought us here. What we need is a revolution of perception. The quote David Hogg, fighting changes nothing. You become what you fight. Gandhi brought down the British Empire in India without firing a shot. That is what we need. The problem of Nigeria is that we have never really had a government worth its name. We have no leaders but masquerades, jesters and clones. Most of the blame on Nigeria are actually troubles caused by misleadership. To exit a nation, you cannot found a nation on hatred, frustration, mutual antagonism. That is why the Oduduwa Republic promoters should watch it. Nations are built on visions, on values, on ethos, on truths, not on hate, or mutual antagonism, or misbehaving, or misgivings. That is what caused APC's problem. They came together to float a party, not on any ideology, but on their hatred of PDP and Jonathan. And now that Jonathan and PDP are no more in sight, have nothing else to strive for but to deploy the same hatred to one another. They are totally benefit of what to do with Nigeria. Look at Ogun State, Edo State, Ondo, etc. They are fighting each other. Those who sow the wind must of a necessity reap the white wind. Too bad. Moses Oludele Idowu. And I rest my case. Ntí mo ní kájọ gbéyẹ̀wò rèé o. Kẹ́yìn ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n kẹ́ bá mi fi ọkàn àgbà ojú àgbà kẹ́ bá mi fi gbé Àkàndá alórọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu bíi tejò. Kí n tó padà sọ̀rọ̀ nípa tèmi ó di lẹ́yìn ọ̀sẹ̀. Títí ìgbà náà ànígbà burú síra wa o. Ẹ bá ní nǹkan pàtàkì tẹ́ fẹ́ bá mi sọ ẹ já sọ lórí WhatsApp nìkan +1 937 969 0257 +1 937 969 0257. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti follow like ẹ sì má gbàgbé láti subscribe sáwọn YouTube channel mi Àkàndá ọ̀rọ̀ Awíkonko, Ẹwà Èdè Yorùbá TV, Akọ́mọlédè Yorùbá TV, Òwe Yorùbá TV, Oríkì Yorùbá TV, Àṣà Yorùbá TV, Ìkórìtà Kò Yé Mi. Títí ìgbà tá tún láǹfààní àti pàdé, Ọlọ́run ní fi wá wọ́n ra wa, wàhálà àti ìdààmú òní. Òrùn rẹ̀ lásùn o, láyọ̀ láàjì o. Thanks and God bless. Ó dàárọ̀ o.
Mo ṣe ìlérí fún orílẹ̀-èdè mi Nàìjíríà láti jẹ́ olódodo, ẹni tó ṣe é fi ọkàn tán, olótìtọ́ ènìyàn, láti sìn pẹ̀lú gbogbo agbára mi, láti sa ipá mi fún ìṣọ̀kan rẹ̀ àti láti gbé ga fún ìyìn àti ògo rẹ̀. Kí Ọlọ́run kí ó rán.
Bye bye o.